Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we will set up our environment to start work with React. Setting up the environment included three steps. Step 1, downloaded a code editor. First, go to your browser and search for VS Code. I will using editor because it's simple and easy to use. If your operating system in Windows, click on Download it for Windows. If you have different OS, go to the downloaded page and choose the appropriate package for your computer. I've chosen Windows and I will wait for the program to finish downloading. Once it's downloaded, click on the installer and agree to the terms and conditions. I will choose to create the desktop shortcut, then click Next. The last step is to wait for the program to finish installing, then it will open automatically. Step 2, downloading NodeJS. I will go back to the browser and search NodeJS. Go to the downloaded page. You can choose any version of Node. The last version is 22. You will also need selected your operating system. The website often automatically chooses the operating system. I will click Windows Installer and wait to download it finish. And click Next, agree the terms and conditions, and then click Next. After it's done, to make sure Node was installed correct, open Command Prompt, the shortcut is CMD, and type node-v. Will show you the version of Nodes you have installed. Getting a web browser. For the final step, you can download it any browser you're comfortable use. I recommend Google Chrome. Just go to the official website and download it. Now, we will ready to write the first React instruction. I will see you in the next lesson so we can continue together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and help me continue to provide useful content. Goodbye.